Hey, I wanted to get on here and do my haul, my Dollar Tree haul. I picked up a few things and it's gonna be quick. My daughter is not happy with me right now. She's fussy and sleepy. So it's a small haul, it's not much, but I did kind of pick up a ton of Christmas stuff. The first thing my daughter wanted was this little plush elf. I might end up putting her name or her initials on here, my little one, Camila. So I picked that up. I got this for my daughter, Emily. She loves to write her notes. It's actually pretty good. It's got 100 sheets. I don't know. She might be a doctor one day. Okay, so let's get started. So I wanted to pick up one of these. I couldn't find them in the beginning, but because they only had the green ones, but in the back they had a whole section of like the little tree decor and little ornaments and stuff like that, lights and everything. I picked up this one, the white one, because I'm gonna decorate my bathroom with that, and I picked up the little tree skirt that goes with it. It's the 18-inch tree skirt. I also got some gift tags. I thought these were super cute. There's 20 pieces in this one, and then I picked up these as well. And there's 20 pieces in this one, so I should be good for Christmas on tags. This sign, I promised myself I wasn't going to get any more signs, but this one was too cute to pass up. It says, "Have a cup of cheer," and it has all the gingerbread, the coffee, and stuff like that. I thought that was super cute. People are looking at me like I'm crazy. This wine bag, I thought it was super cute. They always have Christmas parties to go to, so I figured this would be super cute to bring our wine in. It goes from red to green, and I thought that was super cute. It has like the little tie that you can, you know, tie up really close. I picked this up for my sister. It was her birthday the other day, and she loves the little camel, and it says hump day, so I picked that up for her. And then I also was so surprised because my store has never had Bolero, and they had these coconut fizzers. It's coconut cream and vanilla bath fizzer. So I picked up 2 of those, and they're pretty big. And I have so many bath bombs already, but I wanted to try the Bolero ones, and this one is the coconut cream and vanilla bath bomb. So I picked that up. And I also picked up, my little boy is starting to like draw, and he likes for me to collect all of his drawings. So I picked up a binder as well as some sheet protectors so I can put his drawings in there and he can look at them as a book as he progresses. And then picked up a cranberry and sweet orange bath fizzer as well. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where I'm putting all this stuff at. I picked that up, and then I didn't really mean to get both of these socks, but so I picked up this sock here from Christmas House, and then the one with the little owl on there. I love the knee-high socks just because I have wood and tile floors, so my floors get really cold, and sometimes I don't like wearing like the fuzzy slippers, so I just want to wear socks. I picked up these little miniature, because we're going to be doing like a little, call it like a little city or a village. So I picked up the post office. I think I have the post office and the church, and I just wanted to pick up a few of these just because I wanted my kids to like have like a little miniature house or a setup village or whatever. And I also picked up these mini bows that I'm gonna put on top of that little white tree that I picked up for my bathroom. So I got that. Y'all know that I love coffee, and And since Christmas is not too far away, look how cute these are. Like, are you kidding me right now? It says, I love Santa on both sides. So I picked that one up, and they had a ton of them. If you see my shop with me, you will see all the different ones that they had, but these are the ones that I wanted. One says naughty, and the other says nice. Super cute. So that's it for my haul. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. And other than that, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.